your hair is done, you smell good, you look good, but you just feel like there's one more thing missing and you're in a rush and you still want to look cute, then I think this is definitely the look for you. This is a very quick makeup look that you can do to look very nice, very elegant, and it won't take you too much time. Hi, my name is Thato Mayongo, and on this channel you can find all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle and vlogging. So if that sounds appealing to you, then please do consider subscribing. Today I'm going to be doing sort of like an everyday makeup look. Maybe you don't put on makeup every day. I don't either. But I say every day because maybe you are going on a lunch date, you're going out for dinner, but you don't want to make it seem like you put in too much effort, or you don't really like to wear heavy makeup. Then I think this makeup look is definitely for you. So I want to take you guys through the steps and the different products that I use. First off, I'm going to prime. So obviously we want to have a very nice smooth base, and I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Pore Blur Primer. If you are vegan and love cruelty-free products, then this one is definitely for you. It cancels out any pores, so you know you want to concentrate it where you have a lot of open pores, like I am doing right now. Also, in the places where you are oily, you want to concentrate your primer there. It will create, it will control the oil shine. Now we're going to do our eyebrows, and I'm using my favorite, which is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit. I've had this brow product for months now. It really lasts, so it's definitely worth the price. It's a bit pricey for a brow product, but trust me, it is amazing. It gives you that feather-like eyebrow light. I think this is in the color of 4.5 if you want to shade match with me. So I'm using this brow gel from Rimmel London because I have long eyebrow hairs. So this is just to make sure they stay in place and that they don't move around, because they can get a bit crazy. Now to get to our face, we are doing no foundation, baby. It is hot in these streets, okay? So you just want to take a concealer. I'm using my Revlon Candid Concealer, and I'm in the shade 040 Medium. So you want to spot conceal. So we're not going to use this as a foundation, right? So you want to spot conceal any marks that you don't like on your face, that you'd want to, cover up. And also I'm going to use it for my under eyes. Some people would use a different concealer for their under eyes, so we may use the same one. Now I suggest that you take some setting spray and you just want to wet your face. I'm going to take a wet sponge. It needs to be wet, guys, because that helps you blend out so much easily. And then you just start blending away. So by spraying your face, it helps you to blend easier. want to set that concealer with a loose powder, and I'm using this one from Yardley. You don't want you to have a creased face, not cute. So you just want to pat it in. You don't want to leave it there. Otherwise, you're gonna look ghosty. You want to take a face powder. This one is MAC Studio Fix powder. And you just want to powder your face. It'll also help to bring some color back to your face from all that setting powder. Now I'm going to use my Ray BH Cosmetics palette. So what I love about this palette, it's a 3-in-1. You can highlight, contour, highlights, and you have your eyeshadows. So we are going to contour just a little bit, not too much. Just so our face has some structure. And just a little bit of highlighter. To apply some blush, and this is from MAC. It's Lovejoy. So this is also a very light blush because we're going for that minimal look. So it won't look like you did too much, you know. And now for the eyes, we're just gonna take one color, and I'm going to use Control Freak. So it has a bit of a brown and orange tint to it, just so that our eyes are not so bare. Just one, you know, a little something. No lashes, you do not have time for that. You want to use mascara, and I'm using the extended play lash from MAC. So I like this because it has a small one and I can get underneath these babies here. Last but not least, you want a very simple nude lip. I suggest a nude lip. So I'm going to take a brown liner. I'm going to use my L'Oreal nude lipstick. And of course, one of my favorite lip glosses, which is the Revlon High Shine Lip Polish, as they call it. Awufuni nomlomo oqinileyo, please guys. If your lips are cracking or they're dry, Just put some gloss, I'm telling you. It will make all the difference. Setting spray for the last time. That is it, as easy and simple as that. Literally, this should take you 15 minutes max, especially if you know your face, you know what areas to target, you know how to really do your eyebrows. If you don't like the eyeshadow, you could even leave it out. And listen, this is a look, baby, okay? You are out of the door, but you still look cute and you are feeling really Our subscriber for the week goes to Mandy Kubeka. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please do hit the red button. If you guys are liking the content, please give it a thumbs up as well. Subscribing is free, guys. It's mahala. Please comment down below if you like this look. If you feel like it is easy and simple, then do share it with friends and family who may not necessarily put on makeup every day, but this is something that they could do and follow very easily. I love you guys so much. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup.